Ooh, today's gonna be a good one. Today, we got a lot of parts to unbox. I've been hoarding them for a while, but I figured I'd start by unboxing them and show you guys what we're gonna be installing on the car. It's 43 degrees right now, it's super cold in Seattle, but I've been neglecting this car. This car probably hasn't gotten a good car wash in about 4 or 5 months. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by washing my car first, and then we'll do the unboxing, and then there are gonna be a lot of many videos coming of installing more carbon fiber, more performance parts, and we got a lot of big goals for this car. So let's start with washing it first. Let's go. Oh my God, the water's so cold. It's so fucking cold outside. But there it is, guys. We're done washing it. I am grimy because I worked out and then I did this. So I'm gonna leave the car outside for a little bit, let it dry a little bit more on its own. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go take a shower, change, and then we're gonna go and unbox all these boxes right here that I have for the vehicle. All right guys, I just got done showering and my waifu is gonna help me record today, the rest of the video. But like I said, we're done. We're finished washing the car. Let's take down these boxes. First, we got 2 boxes today. We're gonna unbox this one. If anybody can guess what this is, I'm pretty sure you guys can. And then we got another big box right here. It's super light, so I wonder what it could be, guys. Ugh. You guys guess what it is yet? Oh. Oh my God. It's my rear diffuser. Look at this, guys. Dude, the carbon actually looks super sick. But here, let me show you where it's gonna go, babe. It's gonna go under like this. Something like this.
Oh.
Looks cool.
What's the point of that?
Aerodynamics, and you look super cool.
So you could have another pissing contest in the middle of the road.
Huh?
I said, oh, so you can have another pissing contest instead in the middle of the road.
Could you show them the pieces up close while I unbox this? Ooh, show me your filming skills, dude. Guys, look. My new girl purse made in China. I play ping pong ball made in China. Hiya, brothers.
That a fat ass.
Woo! Oh my. Please tell me this comes off.
Oh my
Kevin,
goodness.
if this doesn't come off, I'm showing you the unboxing video right now. Kevin's the guy that sold it to me.
Oh, so it's not damaged?
Oh, it is. Fucking shit.
Will they send you a replacement?
I don't know. It's been sitting in the garage for a while, but we'll see. We shall see. I might be able to clean this. Ooh.
But you just opened it. Why would they not replace it?
Yeah. Let me take a picture from real quick. Yeah, guys. All right, last piece. First. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, actually we're gonna unbox it, so, because I want to put it up against this. Ooh, look at this. So what we got, guys, is the P style, or I think it's the PSM style side skirts. And then we also have the PSM style rear diffuser. Ooh. Dude, this shit looks fucking nice. Oh.
Sounds like I just farted.
Ooh. Looky here, guys.
Wow.
All right, so
Shiny.
let's show them, dude. Here's, show them from afar. Hopefully you can see the whole thing, but look out this together.
Oh.
You like?
I like shiny.
But that's it.
Can I go smoke now?
Yeah. I'm super excited and I was super worried about this. But basically, in the garage, we have the quick jack, right? And that's how I lifted my car. I was really worried because this is a very aggressive side skirt. And I was worried that I wouldn't be able to use this anymore, or I would have to build some ramps to get it high enough to put the quick jack under. But guess what? It fucking fits, guys. It fits. I can still use my quick jack with these side skirts. Hallelujah. All right, and that's the unboxing for today. So what we have is the P style side skirts and the PSM style diffuser. For the most part, the carbon fiber for being made in China looks pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. There are some small blemishes, but hopefully we could get those sorted out pretty good. If you want to take a look, this is the carbon fiber sides rear diffuser, and most of the carbon actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look like, it looks like everything will mount to the OEM holes. The only issue I had again is this one, the one side fin. Looks like it has some fading on the carbon, but it might be something I could take care of. I did reach out and hopefully Kevin can maybe help me out. And then we got the rest of the diffuser here. But that's it, guys. We got a lot of stuff going on for the channel right now. I got a lot of stuff going on with the M. Might even consider selling these BBSs, guys, because I want to go for a different look now, kind of like the track vibe look. So comment down below, should I get rid of these BBSs and go get some TE37s or some Advent GTs? What do you guys think? I ain't gonna lie, the polished lips on the LMs look super nice though. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I promise you there's gonna be some really good content coming soon if you guys are into BMWs or even cars in general. We might even pick up a project car, who knows? But again, if you guys have any feedback or anything else that you think I should provide on my channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of my content so far, and hopefully I can produce a better one for you guys. But that's gonna be it for today. So thank you again for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.